To share your QR recurring visitor pass, tap the Share button. You can choose to share the pass via text message or email. When sending by text, you may manually enter a phone number, search for a contact using the search field, or scroll through your contacts to select a recipient. Then press Send Visitor Pass. Then send the text message. The same options apply when sending by email. You can manually enter an email address, search your contacts, or scroll through your contact list to select the desired recipient. The recipient will receive a text or email containing a link to access their QR recurring visitor pass. They can view the pass name, the sender, a brief description, and any access restrictions. They also have the option to save the pass to their Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, or add it to their calendar. When the guest arrives at the property, they can tap on Guest QR Code and then scan their QR code for access.